Good day, viewers. My name is Audrey Polton. Welcome to Lesson 5 for Grade 10 and 11 Chemistry. Today we will learn about the pollution of air by gases. Let's have a look at the lesson objectives. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to describe the pollution of air by carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. Explain incomplete combustion of carbon to form carbon monoxide and its dangers to human beings. Describe the formation of acid rain. Describe the consequences of acid rain for the environment. Now that you have seen the lesson objectives, let's start with the lesson. Air pollution occurs when certain gases and particles build up in the atmosphere to such levels that they can cause harm to our health, causing breathing and respiratory problems, and even resulting in premature death, as well as damaging the environment around us. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and a very poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is formed as a byproduct of incomplete combustion processes. If there is not enough oxygen available to create carbon dioxide as a byproduct, then carbon monoxide is created instead. The biggest sources of carbon monoxide come from vehicles, especially when they are moving slowly or when the engine is idling. Burning of petrol, coal and wood in insufficient oxygen also release carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is dangerous to humans. Once inhaled, it competes with oxygen by attaching hemoglobin in red blood cells and starving vital organs such as the brain, nervous system tissues, and the heart of oxygen, reducing their ability to work properly. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with a burnt match type smell. Sulfur dioxide is an acidic oxide. Sulfur dioxide can result in environmental problems such as acidification. Most of the sulfur dioxide in our air is caused by the burning of coal and oil for energy generation and industrial activities. Sulfur dioxide can cause breathing difficulties if inhaled into the body. It is also toxic to plants and can cause acid rain when it reacts with moisture in the air or reacts with rain. One of the most common nitrogen oxides is nitrogen dioxide, which is a reddish brown gas that has an unpleasant smell and is poisonous in high concentrations. Nitrogen oxides are formed when fossil fuels are burned at high temperatures, but can also be formed naturally by lightning strikes. Most of the nitrogen dioxide in urban areas comes from exhaust emissions. It can increase the likelihood of respiratory problems as it inflames the lining of the lungs and can reduce immunity to lung infections. This can cause problems such as wheezing, coughing, colds, flu, and bronchitis. Nitrogen dioxide can also cause acid rain as it is an acidic oxide. Acid rain is formed when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react in the atmosphere with water, oxygen and other chemicals to form various acidic compounds. When acid rain falls to the ground, it can cause damage to plants, including trees. It can also increase the acidity levels of the soils, rivers and streams, affecting the delicate balance of ecosystems that live in these environments. Acid rain also accelerates the decay of buildings, statues, and sculptures. Now that we have come to the end of the lesson, let's summarize what we have learned today. Air pollution of gases and particles cause harm to health, breathing and respiratory problems, premature death, and damage to the environment. Carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless, and a very poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is a product of incomplete combustion. The sources of carbon monoxide come from vehicles, burning of petrol, coal, and wood. Once carbon monoxide is inhaled, it competes with oxygen by attaching hemoglobin in red blood cells so that vital organs are deprived of enough oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is caused by burning coal and oil and industrial activities. Dangers of sulfur dioxide includes breathing problems and causes acid rain. The most common nitrogen oxide is nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide are formed by burning fossil fuels, lightning strikes, and exhaust emissions. Nitrogen dioxide can cause respiratory problems. Acid rain is formed when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react in the atmosphere with water, oxygen, and other chemicals. Acid rain causes damage to plants and it increases the acidity levels of our soils, rivers, and streams. Acid rain accelerates the decay of buildings, statues, and sculptures. Until next time, goodbye, keep well.